Quick tutorial here on how to go from a PNG to 3D with all free software. Let's do it.
So first off, we're going to open up Inkscape here, and I'm going to pull open my PNG. This is my logo that my friend Matt made me. And I'm going to go ahead and go up to Trace, Bitmap under Path, and hit Apply. Now this is going to give me two images. It'll be on top of each other. One's the vector SVG, and then one's the original PNG. I want to delete that original PNG. I'm going to go ahead and use the Select Nodes tool and go ahead and clean up everything I don't want, just leaving my logo. I'm going to go ahead and add some text here, and then before I export, I'm going to make sure I select the text, go up to the Path drop down, do Object to Path. That's going to convert that text into vector. Go up to Save As, and then we're going to make sure we select Optimized SVG, export that. Then we're going to open up Tinkercad, hit Import. Then we're going to go ahead and find that exported SVG. If you have this issue with the Max workspace, just make sure the top number is 1000 and click off of it. Then we're going to go ahead and find a thing. So it imports it as a solid, but you can actually use it as a whole. So I'm going to go ahead and just cut it out of a rectangle here, add a little border radius to the rectangle. Next, I'm going to export this as an STL. Now that I have the STL, I should be able to just drop it right into Cura and slice it and get to printing.